to rise early in the morning, take bath, wash mouth with Guna Sampanna, then take to Mangalarati. In this way, he was also trained up. Ayam hi Sudha Sampanna Sila Vritta Gunalaya. Guna means Sadguna. This Sama Dhamma Titiksha Arjava Jnanam Vijnanam Astikam. These are Gunalaya, reservoir of all good qualities. Dhitavrata. These things not occasionally but regularly. Dhitavrata. I must rise early in the morning. That is called Dhitavrata, bhav. I must do it. Dhitavrata, mridu, mild, gentleness. This is human life. Not to live like cats and dogs. That is not human life. Real human life, the picture is here. One must be trained up to all these qualifications. Just like nowadays we send our boys to school, college, but being trained up as a technician. Formerly the boys were sent for education. These are the apex of education. Education means to become human being. Chanakya Pandit, he also, although he was a politician, but Brahmana, he also says, who is educated? Pandit. The Brahman is known as Pandit. So what is the sign of Pandit? He has summarized. Matrivat paradareshu paradrabbeshu lostavat atvat sarvabhuteshu japasati sa Pandit. Pandit means Matrivat paradareshu, to accept all women as mother. Paradareshu. Daro means wife and para means other. Except his own wife, he should treat all women outside, taking them as mother. Therefore, still in Hindu society, every woman is addressed by an unknown man, mother. It doesn't matter if a person is unknown, he can speak with another woman, addressing her first mother, Mataji, then nobody will be offended. This is etiquette. That is taught by Chanakya Pandit. Matrivat paradareshu. Woman should be addressed as mother. And paradrabbeshu lostava. And others' property should be accepted as some pebbles on the street. Nobody cares for it. If some pebbles, some stones are thrown in the street, nobody cares for it. Garbage. So nobody should touch others' property. Nowadays the education is how to make friendship with other wife and how to take away others' money by tricks. This is not education. The education is here. Matrivat paradareshu paradabbeshu lostavat atvat sarvabhuteshu. Sarvabhuteshu, in all living entities, there are 8,400,000 different forms of living entities. The grass is also a living entity and Brahma is also a living entity. So, a Pandit accepts everyone as living entity and he deals with them atmavat. What I feel pains and pleasure, I must deal with others by the same sentiment. Therefore, modern days nationality means human being. But actually, the animals, they are also national. National means one is born in the same country, according to their definition. The national word is never found in the Vedic literature. This is modern invention. So, here, ato sarvabhuteshu. It doesn't matter whether one is national or outside or national. Sarvabhuteshu. Here is also, it is said, sarvabhuta surita. Surit, friend, well-wisher, sarvabhuta. Why I shall think only well for my relatives or my family member? That is kripana, miser. A broad-minded Brahmana should be engaged for doing good to all, everyone. Therefore Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mission is Prithivite ache jato nagaradik gram. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu never instructed that you should limit your preaching within your society or within your country. He is asking, Prithivite ache jato nagaradik gram. As many villages and towns are there on the surface, that's all, I don't be disturbed. Sarvatra prachar hoive mon. This is the mission. This is Vedic knowledge. Sarvabhuta surit. You should become, they come inside. So we should be engaged. Sarvabhuta hite rata. Everyone should be taken as friend. Sridang sarvabhutana. This is the qualification of an advanced Krishna conscious person. So, these qualifications, ayam hi sutta sampanya sila vritya gunalaya jitavrata mridu danta. Danta means self-control. Shanta, danta. Shanta means how to become self-controlled, not to become disturbed by the senses. These are training for a first-class human being. But there is no class. Nowadays it is said classless. First class and last class, all one. This is the modern philosophy. But that is not very scientific proposal. The scientific proposal is that there is first-class man and there is 10th-class man, but everyone can be utilized for the ultimate goal of life. That is classless. And that means everyone can become Krishna conscious. It doesn't matter whether by his qualification he is first class or last class. Krishna consciousness is transcendental. First class, last class is considered in the material world. But so long one is not on the platform of Krishna consciousness, for him this training is required to become a first class man. And for a Krishna conscious person, if he simply becomes Krishna conscious, then automatically he becomes a first class man. This is the secret of success. Kevalaya bhaktya vasudeva parayana dhunanti agham nihara miva bhaskara. It is said, dhunanti, every sinful reaction becomes washed away if one becomes vasudeva parayana, kevalaya bhaktya.